Identifying duplicate data and eliminating it will help you keep your dataset clean and error-free. Like for example, you want to identify the duplicate student name. You'll highlight all the student name. Make sure you are in a Homes tab here. Conditional Formatting, highlight cell rules, and duplicate values. Here, make sure you're selected as duplicate and select the color that you want, maybe green. Now you can see all the duplicate names are highlighted. But what if you want to identify and eliminate duplicate row? Like for example, this is duplicate row to this duplicate row, and this is duplicate row as well. So there's 3 of them. This row number 8 is not duplicate because the last value is different. This is how you do it. Select the data set, and after that click on data. Under data tools, click on remove duplicate, and over here I have included the header, so I'm going to put a check on to exclude my header. If you leave the check out, if there's any row that's duplicate to the top line, they will remove the header, so just be aware of it. So I'm just going to say my data has header, and I'm going to keep all the columns checked because I want all the rows. Then click OK. It will eliminate 2 records or 2 rows that were duplicate for Sophia. I'm going to click OK. Now you can see there's only one Sophia, and there's another one which is similar to this, but the last record is different, so this is a different row altogether.